Okay, so now we need to that we are in develop target manager, that your database now has the readings and has the status is active. We're gonna download the data library. We will have the Unity editor and we will download that. Okay, I did download it. You will see that in your downloads it's gonna have the extension Unity package. Now that you saved it properly, not just on your downloads, but took it from downloads and you saved it properly as Business Card Project 2023, now this is a package that we will import in Unity. So we can go to Assets and Import Package. It's a custom package because it's my own package. So now you can actually save it in scenes. Oh, maybe it's best to save it in scenes. Here I should have saved it, but I have it in my class folder here, and I'm going to open it and we'll still work very fine. And that's good. All these files are now imported. What does this mean to me? This means that here, from database, and make sure that you have the license in the Vuforia configuration. And here, I have the business card project database. And because it has only one image, well, it's the default correct image. And now, if you want to add a target representation, up to you, but in any case, this is how we do it. And now, this is the end of adding an image target into the system, but we didn't add it to our scene necessarily. We'll check that. Okay, so here's the game showing us nothing. It's all dark. So I need to wait for it to show me something also. So can't even see it. So we will talk about it. Here it is. You can see it in fact here. So now I should have showed you the image target before we add the actual overlay of a business card on it. But definitely this is your image target. You can just double click on it on the scene also instead of zooming in and out with your mouse. So this is it. Some of you are maybe already bothered and they're saying, oh, I want to see it, I want to rotate it. This is how you rotate it. Let me see. Here we go. I will teach you how to work with this in the next video, like Gimzo. And now I have an image target. You don't need to get to here. You might not be familiar on how to use this, right? And you might have a totally completely different orientation here. Yeah, looking at the sky and here finally. So please don't worry about this. The video ends where it ends, which is by importing the library. Bye-bye.